In this chapter, we're going to show you how to add a hardware module to the device. So we're going to go to the Hardware tab, open the station, and we're going to right-click, press New, and then Hardware Module. Just shows the Resource tab. Here you can see all the current modules that Bachmann has to offer. For now, we're going to add the GIO212. This is our general I/O module, which has both analog and digital in and outputs. So select it and press Next. The next screen that will pop up is the configuration of the hardware module itself. The first 3 points that we're going to look at here are the card number, slot number, and mode. First up, the card number. The card number defines the logical module number by which the application programs address the module. Then we have the slot number. This is the physical place of the module on the backplane. So as you can see here, slot 2, 3, 4 are taken, and it automatically fills in slot 5. The next up is mode. You have 3 different modes. First, we have real. This means that the hardware module is mounted on the M1 controller. Then we have number 2, which is virtual. Virtual are hardware modules that are physically not present. Input channels can only be read, and outputs can be both read and written. And the third option is virtual read-write. For this one, both inputs and outputs channels can be read and written. We're going to choose this option for this card. Then we're going to go to our primary channel 1 to 2 tab. Here we see channel mode. We're going to open this. As you can see, there are a lot of options to choose, but for now we're going to pick digital outs. Do the same for primary channel 2 and primary channel 3. As you can see, once you add a channel mode, on the bottom it gives you a pin assignment on what channels you wire. Once you press finish, the PLC will ask you to reboot. Every time you make a change on the hardware, the PLC will ask to reboot. So we do that. Once the PLC has rebooted, we're going back to hardware, station 1, and then as you can see, you have your new GIO212 module. The blue icon next to the module indicates that it is a virtual module. So once we double click on it, it will load and it will open the current configuration that we made. On the bottom side in the monitor view, you can see the channels that we configured. If you double click on it and invert it, you can change the value. In the next chapter, we're going to talk about the software applications.